The North Logan Pumpkin Walk is a free event held annually in October in North Logan, Utah. The Pumpkin Walk features caricatures made from pumpkin, squash, zucchini, and any other number of farmed vegetables. The walk originated in 1982 at Ida Beutler's backyard, with only 200 people in attendance. By 2013, that number had grown to more than 60,000. History: Ida Beutler, from North Logan, Utah, hosted the first pumpkin walk on Halloween, 1982. She provided cookies to local children who wished to attend. It was very successful, and attendance the next year was an order of magnitude higher. It eventually became more than the Beutlers could manage, so it was cancelled that year. The city of North Logan then took the lead and reinstituted the event. In 1991, the city moved it to its current location of Elk Ridge Park. Themes of recent pumpkin walks. For a number of years, the pumpkin walk has had a theme. The table below shows many of these themes. References. External links. North Logan Pumpkin Walk.